I believe that designers have an obligation to create things that are both beautiful and sustainable, but I also believe that we need to stop thinking about those terms as somehow separate. So the point of the book is not just that sustainability can be beautiful, it is that beauty can be sustainable if we merge the two. The way things look, the way they feel, can affect how we respond to them and therefore how we conserve things. A fractal is an irregular self-similar geometry that's shaped a little bit like a tree, and it's so common in nature it's been called the fingerprints of nature. So you see it in things like river deltas, lightning bolts, our own lungs, and it's shaped that way because it facilitates the flow of energy and matter. That's why it's so common. But it's also common in certain kinds of trees that we respond to well, we think of as most beautiful, but also physiologically, test subjects have been shown to relax. Their stress will reduce when we're exposed to these kinds of images. And the theory is because it's an image that's embedded in all of our genetic memory that we carry around with us and have carried around with us for tens of thousands of years, ever since we migrated away from the African savanna. The acacia tree, which is common on the savanna, is this image, right? So it's sort of rolling hills, and you think of this image being silhouetted on the horizon as being sort of emblazoned in your mind's eye about what you consider to be not just a beautiful environment, but also an environment that promises shade and sustenance and survival. So the thought is we're hardwired to look for these images everywhere we go, and science is proving that to be true. I talk about fractals as an example of how nature creates patterns that designers can mimic.